Today I'm going to use Fable 5 and Higgsfield to build these characters and turn them into a full high-quality animated film. No massive scripts, no overcomplicated prompts, just a short idea and a clean workflow that basically does the heavy lifting for you. Fable 5, recently released through Claude, is a big step up from previous versions. It understands intent much better, writes far more detailed prompts, and can design cinematic scenes that actually feel impactful. Now pair that with Higgsfield as the production engine, and it's kind of a cheat code. You're not building shots manually anymore. You're handing your idea to a system that already understands pacing, visuals, and storytelling, then watching it assemble the film for you. It feels less like prompting, more like hiring a full creative studio that runs on your idea. So stick with it and watch it unfold yourself. First, you need to visit the Higgsfield website, which most of you are already familiar with. It's an incredible platform, and recently they also released Seedance 4K, which is absolutely impressive. If you want to learn how Seedance works or explore other Higgsfield features like Supercomputer, Cinema Studio, and MCP, I've left links for all of them in the description. To connect Higgsfield with Claude, the first step is to go to the MCP and CLI section. Here, you can see how to connect Higgsfield with popular LLMs, including ChatGPT. Click on Claude, copy the provided link, then click on Higgsfield Auth Login, give it a name, paste the link, and that's it. Now you can start your workflow directly. For our project, the first thing we need is our characters, props, and environments. We need to create all of those before moving into animation. One way to do this is by selecting Fable 5 from here and asking it to create your characters directly through Higgsfield. It will write the ideal prompt based on your description, call the right tool inside Higgsfield, and generate the character automatically. It's that simple, but there's an important thing you should know. Fable 5 uses a lot of resources, which means you'll probably reach your daily usage limit much faster than usual. My recommendation is this. Since the AI models inside Higgsfield are already extremely intelligent, you can simply go directly into Higgsfield and create your characters and environments yourself using a simple conversational description, exactly like I did. Models like GPT, Image 2, and Nano Banana Pro are incredibly smart and can quickly understand what you're looking for. Another important point is that you'll need at least 3 different views of each character for video generation. So it's better to create a proper character sheet from the beginning, just like I did here. Now let's go back to Claude and use it to create our video prompts and generate the animation. At this stage, we want Claude, powered by Fable 5, to create a detailed Seedance 2 video prompt for us. Keep in mind that even if you don't manually call the skill, Claude can still use it based on your instructions, so you don't necessarily need to activate it every time. Now, describe your story idea. It can be very short, but if certain details are important to you, explain them clearly. If you have specific camera movements or shots in mind, mention them as well. Of course, you can also leave creative decisions to Claude and let it use its own knowledge and experience. For saving credits, you can set the effort level to medium or even low. But for the best quality results, higher settings will always give you better output. Now provide the reference images for your scene so it can follow them accurately. Claude will quickly analyze your idea and references, then create a complete production-ready prompt. Inside this prompt, you'll find everything: the visual style, character emotions, actions, camera movements, scene structure, timing, and even sound and music details. Review it carefully and make sure it matches your vision. And if you can't fully understand the final result just from reading the prompt, you can first test it at 480p in Higgsfield. This helps you save credits and lets you fix anything that might be missing before creating the final version. I noticed a few details that needed adjustment, like the video duration needing to be 15 seconds, so I simply told Claude and asked it to update the prompt before generating. Claude will ask for permission a few times to access your files and generate the video. After that, it will create the final result. Let's take a look. If you notice any issues, you can simply explain them here and ask for a regeneration. But later I'll also show you how insert shots can help fix many of these problems. Now for the second scene, where the female football player enters, follow the same process. Describe your idea with all the details you want, let Claude create the complete video prompt, and generate it using Seedance 2. You can also provide frames from the first video to improve consistency between scenes. And here's another trick to increase the final quality. You can ask Fable 5 to create additional insert shots using Higgsfield, such as crowd reactions, player close-ups, or detailed shots of the football skills. Then simply edit these shots into your final timeline, combine everything together, and render the final animation. You can continue this workflow for the entire project and create much longer animations using the same approach. Let's see the final result. I hope you found this helpful. Until next time, stay creative.
Wrong move, little boy. Let this be the last time you act tough.